Mi Air 2S or Mi Earbuds Pro 2S looks exactly the same as its predecessor, but Xiaomi claims that the 2S offers twice more of the battery life, wireless charging, higher audio quality, and much more. Let's check all that out in this video. One of the major highlights of the Air 2S is they have updated the dual-core chipset to reduce connectivity issues. The audio signal is sent to each earbud at the same time separately, instead of having one main bud that connects to the second bud. This not only allows you to use the earbud separately, but also reduces sound latency. Here are the testing results.
Believe it or not, I really think this newly released Onyx Ace earbuds from Smart is the real Apple AirPods alternate.
Pretty cool, right? No obvious lag when you are watching videos or playing games. It's way better than many of TWS earbuds that I've tested before. Next, let's talk about audio quality. The earbuds feature fairly large 14.2mm drivers along with HDC codec. The audio sounds okay. It handles mids, highs, and vocals well. Overall feel transparent and clear, very balanced. No strong bass despite the large drivers though. I personally have no complaints on the audio quality, especially considering the price. There's no active noise cancellation, but Xiaomi does use mics for noise separation during calls. We tested the call quality in a very noisy environment. Check out.
Hey Brick.
Hey Xiaomi.
Right now we are testing the Mi Air 2S Bluetooth earbuds. Can you speak a little bit more so we can test the call quality?
Okay, now I'm near a bus station and left I'm going to a supermarket. Hello Xiaomi. I'm now near a bus station and left I'm going to a supermarket. I'm near a bus station and left I'm going to a supermarket.
Another major upgrade for the Air 2S is the battery life. The new case supports Qi wireless charging and has a USB-C port on the bottom. A full charge takes an hour if you use the cable. The buds can last 5 hours of playback, and by topping them up in the case, you get a total of 24 hours, which is 70% more than the previous generation. Impressive! For this, it doesn't change much from its predecessor. You can tap twice on the left bud or 小爱同学 to activate voice assistant and use voice commands. It auto stops play music when you take the earbuds out of your ear, since they feature IR sensors. Also, it comes with nice and cool pop-up animation when you connect it to Xiaomi phones. Sadly though, they still didn't add a gesture for volume control on the buds. Why so hard to add that, right? Overall, I think the upgrades on the Air 2S are legit. With almost the same price, you get a much longer battery life and improved connectivity and sound quality. For purchase suggestion, if you already own the Air 2 or AirDots Pro 2, then maybe wait for the AirDots Pro 3. If you don't have any earbuds, then the Air 2S could be a major goal for its lightweight and compact design, snug fitting, affordable price, and overall excellent user experience, and all of the advantages I referred before. Alright, for more about the Air 2S, please check out the link in the description or on the screen. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can click here to subscribe. I'm Sammy. See you next time.